guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be experimenting with Amazing Putty. It's kind of like the putty where you shine a light into it and it turns purple. And the truth about it is that the light doesn't work well. Here, wait a sec. Let me pop it up. So the light doesn't even work well. First of all, look. Sometimes the light wants to work. Sometimes it doesn't. Look, here's the slime. Here's the light. See, then it just cuts off. Look, proof. And another thing about it is if you put it in the sun for at least like a second or two, it starts to turn purple. Like, that's what happens when the light shines on it. So what's the point of the light? You could just buy the slime stuff, and it should tell you that it works with sunlight. So that's a waste of money with the little thingy. Let me show you the packaging. So this is the packaging. This is Amazing Putty, collect them all. Aaron Studios, blah blah blah. Includes UV light pen, age 4+, a little container, latex free. But if you turn it onto the back, it has all these other ones. I was gonna get the color changing or the magnetic, but I decided to get this one to test it out. And look, all it says is about what it does and how you can't eat it. Such as clothing, carpeted, and staining. All this is about staining. Non-toxic. Do not eat. That's all it's talking about. And there's the barcode. Nowhere on this box does it say you put in sunlight and it turns purple. Nowhere on the box does it say that. Nowhere. All it's talking about is this dumb UV light. Boom. Get blasted, nub. See, that's a little light, but it doesn't focus on anything. So what's the point? What's the point if you're just gonna use it in sunlight? And this is the little container it comes in. It comes in a container that says Amazing Putty, Laser Putty. I know you can't see it correctly, but let me switch it real quick. Container comes in Amazing Putty, Laser Putty, 4+. This is Amazing Putty may cause an allergic reaction in hypersensitive persons. Do not eat. Keep Amazing Putty out of reach of pets and small children. Avoid contact with face, eyes, and hair. In case of accidental contact, immediately wash area with warm water to dissolve Amazing Putty. Prolonged contact between Amazing Putty and fabrics, blah blah blah, staining. Nowhere does it say, even on here. Oh my god, stupid. Conspiracy is, why is it called Amazing Putty? If it was called Amazing Putty, it wouldn't have all these warnings. Amazing means there's nothing wrong with it. So, and also another conspiracy of mine is, if it's called Amazing Putty again, why when you put the slime in sunlight it changes colors automatically? It doesn't make sense. Or does it? Is that what's supposed to happen? All these are called Amazing Putties, but with different. This one's called Laser Putty, but why is the brand Amazing Putty? I bet the magnetic, color changing, glow in the dark aren't even amazing. I can bet. And Grin Studios, fix your product. Fix it. JK. But just conspiracy. So if you like my thinking, don't forget to subscribe, because I will be doing more of these videos if you like them. But if you don't like them, then I won't do more. That's the whole point of it. Yeah. So please. By the way, I'll be posting up like weekly or whatever, whenever I get the chance to. So stay tuned. Yeah.